Good morning, everybody. It's Nick with Texas Family Roofing. I hope you can hear me. I put my AirPods in because it is windy, so I'm hoping it'll help. So, how's everybody's morning going? Bright and early. It's kind of a little chilly again, but not as bad as what it was last week. So, anyways, just kind of wanted to talk about exactly what the title says, helping you prevent from making a bad decision. A homeowner, there's one that the house I'm on right now, chose to go the cheaper route, found somebody to do their roof, and turns out they're not a licensed contractor with San Antonio. They obviously didn't know what they were doing when they were installing this roof, and so I'm going to show you a few examples today. So it's a little treat. We'll start. Let's go with up here. So I'm on your pipe jacks, and if you don't know what pipe jacks are, I'll show you. A lead pipe, and they've installed the flashing backwards, should be flipped around, and we see it's not even nailed in to the roofing system. A big one right here is their hip and ridge. I know a lot of my roofing inspecting realtors may probably know, but those are the wrong shingles. These are field shingles, and what they've done is just cut them, um, probably to help with cost, or I don't know what. Probably they didn't know any better, obviously. But the whole house has field shingles on the hips and ridge, um, and look what they did on the chimney. Um, didn't know how to seal it, so they just slapped some tar on there, hoping for the best. This is stuff that so a lot of homeowners wouldn't know. Um, and this is why people are cheaper. They obviously don't know what they're doing and just need some fast cash. Again, the flashing isn't nailed in. Um, this is the big one right here. This is what's going to cost the homeowner quite a bit of money because they've installed. So this cap sheet is called modified bitumen, and what they've done is installed it. Good morning, Paul. They've installed it on, sorry, on the shingles. I can't tell you why they've done that. I don't know any situation why you would want to do this. And even installing the sheet, they did it wrong. They've put nails in the modified bitumen. It's a self-adhering um, product, and so once you put it on, you get a nice heavy roller and you roll it onto the roof. So I don't know why they've put nails to install this. Again, it's probably because they did not know what they were doing. And even then, how they've overlaid it was that maybe 2 inches, 8 inches, maybe 6 inches. So they did not know what they're doing. We want to make sure that when we help you, we want to get everything installed properly. This is why we want you to do a little homework and see what a licensed contractor in San Antonio will do versus the truck in a truck. Man, I feel so bad for this lady because insurance paid for this roof back in 2016, and the guy just came into town and ran away with her money, practically. Did not do what they promised, and now she's having to pay the price 4 to 5 years later. This roof is only 4 or 5 years old, and it's already leaking all over the place, and this is bad. But guys, I want to make sure that you guys are taken care of, that you know what's going on. Call us out. Let us know what your issue is. Definitely won't be seeing any garbage like that or like that. But yeah, guys. Anyways, hope you guys are having an awesome morning. I'm still needing to fill up on my coffee. You can't tell, I'm a little tired still, but I'll be my dancing self in about an hour or two. So you guys have an awesome morning. Let me know if you need anything. Do some homework. Actually, if you guys don't know, you can go on San Antonio's uh, city page and look for contractors that are actually licensed. All you do is you type in the business name, and it'll tell you if they're licensed with the city or not. So a big thing to help you guys out with is not just roofing, but plumbers, any kind of contractor. You can search them, and it'll let you know if they're licensed with the city. That's going to be the big first step for you guys with any work that you get done to your home. So make sure you at least do that for yourselves before you take on any project and start looking for somebody. But anyways, hi Eric and Paul. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys had your coffee. And yeah, all right, guys. Have a good morning. Bye bye.